Feeling under the weather? That dry, annoying cough keeping you up at night? Before you head to the pharmacy, let me share with you one of nature's most powerful remedies straight from your kitchen. A warm, soothing blend of honey, lemon, and ginger backed by centuries of healing tradition. And the best part? It actually works. Ingredients section you'll need: 1 tablespoon of pure honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 cup of hot water optional, a pinch of cinnamon or turmeric for an extra boost. How to make it: start by grating a small piece of fresh ginger. About a teaspoon will do. Squeeze half a lemon to get about a tablespoon of juice. Add the ginger and lemon juice to a cup of hot water. Stir in 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix well and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Drink it warm slowly and feel the relief begin. Benefits of the remedy. Why does this simple mix work so well? Honey coats and soothes the throat while fighting bacteria. Lemon provides vitamin C and breaks down mucus. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that calms irritation. Together, they don't just mask the cough, they help your body heal. Conclusion: natural doesn't mean weak, it means wise. This remedy has stood the test of time because it works. So the next time a cough sneaks up on you, remember, nature has your back. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips straight from home.